This is going to be an epic merch search. Inside of the Other Worlds Mercantile. Let's see if we can spot anything new. Well, they have me with the yellow shirt. Check it out, a yellow shirt here for the cones. It's an Embark t-shirt and it's yellow and it's priced at, oh, it's 2 for $50 or $30 plus tax if you just get one. But oh yes, the cones have their own t-shirt and it's yellow and it's soft. This is interesting. Very interesting to me. Right next to it, same pricing, Best Dad Bod. That's pretty cool. That's a nice brown color and it doesn't feel quite as soft as the yellow. Over here we have the How to Train Your Dragon. You know, it's like a yin yang shirt. $48 for it. Wow. Hold on. Let's see what this is. It's 100% cotton. Let's see. I've seen those. We have over here. This is a nice bright green How to Train Your Dragon t-shirt for kids. $32. Youth tee. The iPhone case is $40. Got that again, that bright green for you. Epic Universe merchandise over here. Got the t-shirt. I'll find the pricing on that somewhere else. The cinch backpack is $40. I love the colors. I love the color palette of Epic Universe. I think this is where I can check on the price of those t-shirts. The Epic Universe t-shirts. But first, what is this? If I can get it out. Like, what is this for? Do you just hang it on the wall? It's $40. I think it's just a wall hang. It's not like you can put pictures in it. I guess it's a wall hang for $40.
There aren't any over there.
Oh. Here's the t-shirt. The t-shirt, $32. That's the one I showed you on the mannequin earlier. Let's see. Where else to go? The Wizarding World spot. Here we go. This looks like a pretty nice long sleeve shirt for $70. I do like the color palette. Nice colors. Has the Hogwarts crest on it. It's not a hoodie, not a sweatshirt, so no pockets on the front. Collared, kind of a quarter button. And I said, what did I say, 70 bucks? Anything on the back or anything? No, nothing on the back. Nothing on the back, but it's a nice color to it. And then this looks to be a youth t-shirt as well. Over here, 30 bucks for the youth t-shirt. $90 for this bag. Let's see if I can get you a better look at it. It has like a little wand holder right there. Yeah, $90. Larger bag. It's not like it's a mini backpack like the ones we're used to seeing in a theme park. Full size backpack instead of like the Loungefly style. Nice color to it. Large. Wand holder's really nice for that, right? For you Harry Potter fans. Let's see. More bags over here. More wizarding bags. Let's see. Let's get this in a better lighting there. There you go. Nice kind of burgundy color. I'll check the price for you in a minute. Show you each side.
Why don't you go inside ministry and see what they have?
There's the different houses there. But let's find a price for you.
Right in the world, in the entire world.
It is $75. $75 for the bags. I'm assuming this one must be, I mean, is it? Is it Gryffindor based on the color? Or what's this? Let's focus on the logo there. There it is. Oh no, it's Livermore. Okay. So this is not Hogwarts. I'll give you a closer look at the brown one. Oh, now this one is Hogwarts. That is a Hogwarts, the brown one there. The blue one, is it a different school of magic? I think it is. Okay, we have the Beauxbatons. Oh, okay, so each house has its own bag. Beauxbatons, Hogwarts, Livermore, that's the American school. You stay there, hold on a second. Oh boy. Stay put, there we go. On to the Dark Universe section. Creature from the Black Lagoon, white t-shirt on the mannequin. Here it is on the rack. You can get a better look at the price at $35. I'm trying to, you know, there we go. Now you can see a little bit of the color in the shirt. Weirdo. Startling. Unbelievable. Creature from the Black Lagoon bag. This appears, this is not a lounge flight bag. It's $65 for the creature bag. Oh, it's got a little, the creature bag has a little accessory there. Creature claw. Wolfman t-shirt, $35. Oh, we have a Dracula t-shirt over here, also $35. A Dracula. Pain in the neck. You make me feel alive with this Frankenstein t-shirt. Again, $35. Black light reflective apparel. Who else do we need? Oh, we need the bride. Beautifully dramatic. This is kind of one of those little short crop type shirts. This can get a better look with the light that way. Oh, there you go. That's better. It is $39. The Burning Blade has a t-shirt. The Burning Blade. Oh no, where's the price? Oh, there we go. $35 for the Burning Blade t-shirt. Also black light reflective, and no two shirts are exactly the same with that. So this is a shirt I haven't seen before. Do we have any others I haven't seen before? What's on this side? Oh, it's the monsters there. I think I have seen this one. $32 for it. Another monsters, black and white. I like that it's black and white. You know how the movies originally were. They were all black and white. $35 for that t-shirt. Well, 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 what have I found here? The mother load of t-shirts. It's a t-shirt wall. 2 for $50 are $30 a piece. A t-shirt for Celestial Park. Stardust Racers. Umbridge Stands Trial. I Heart Hiccup. The Plastered Owl. The bar has its own t-shirt. Pizza Moon has its own t-shirt. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm liking the specialty t-shirts. I showed you the one here for the cones. Invisible but unforgettable. Even Igor has a t-shirt. This is cool. I'm liking this. Shockingly cute for the bride. Shockingly attractive. I get it. Shockingly. Oh, so clever. And the best dad bod t-shirt I showed you before. Here are some of them hanging up. Wow, that is nice that they have these. I'm already on record as saying I like the one that's here for the cones because it's yellow, but I do like the pizza moon, and I like that it's baby blue. Might have to get some new t-shirts soon. The Revenge of the Werewolf, that's a ride here in the Dark Universe. $35 for that t-shirt. Excuse me as I just roam around the store. The Dark Universe vinyl, plenty of those available. I remember when those were a hot item. $45 for it. Just showing you some Epic Universe merchandise. The Spirit shirts are $84. This is the front of it. There's the front. This is the back of it. The Epic Universe trucker hat is $27. The Epic Universe bag, which I know feels like kind of like a plastic material, pleather, if you will, is $65 for it. There you go. This shirt over here, I don't know, is this a ladies shirt? The sleeves are weird. I don't think a guy would wear those, so we'll call it a ladies t-shirt for $35. I do like the color. I like the Epic colors. Here's a kind of a regular t-shirt, unisex probably, $35 for it. It has it, you know, where the sleeves are at the angle there. Let's see, you can see the seam. And there's the front logo. Anything on the back, we wonder? Yes. Wonder no more, the Epic Universe logo. A different style of Epic Universe cap, not a trucker hat, more of a baseball style. Look at the underside of the bill there. But this hat, also $27 for it. $29 for the Epic mug. Cool shape to it. The awesome colors. Look at the inside there. That's nice. The same logo on each side. And then we have the shot glass. Also sort of the same shape as the mug. The logo, oh, also, you know, the same color. $13 for it. The picture frame 4x6 is $27. It gets hot here in Florida. Maybe you want to wear a tank top. Cut down on the sleeves. $29 for the tank top. No sleeves, but it's not cheaper. Back to showing you some How to Train Your Dragon merch. The plush is $30 for the plush. And over here we have a lounge fly for $95. This is an official lounge fly. It's fluffy. It's so fluffy. That is the front. Flip it around. Oh, it has wings. It has wings. You can swivel those out. That's cool. It's a pretty good looking mug here. Ooh, let's get it off without breaking it. Better lighting. Sorry about that. Oh, there we go. That's a little better right there. Be yourself, embrace your weirdness. $20 for this How to Train. Come on. Sorry about that. Let's focus on the actual graphic, right? There we go. Plain inside. Put it back without breaking. And over here, we have those dragon eggs. These are $30. give it a spin for you. Then also you can look inside the display case and see. I do believe Super Nintendo World has the largest footprint in this store. I've shown you a lot of this last year, but last year they didn't have the Mario Galaxy moving toy right here for $55 related to the movie. Also, this little water cup bottle sipper thing is small, it's for children. $20. So there you have Yoshi and the boys. Yoshi and the boys. That is little kid size right there. There's a larger one down here. The larger one is $25. Again, it's for the movie, the new movie, Mario Galaxy. Let's see, is there any other movie merch on the other side? Should be. Oh, look at that one. Let's see here. I've got a. There's that. I'll check on the price in a minute. And this one over here, easily check the price of $35. Oh, so there's Mario, Yoshi, Princess Bowser Jr. Alright, let me go over here and check the price of this thing. Give me 1 second. Oh, it's a little less than I expected. 60 bucks for the castle and the little action figures in there. I still love this Donkey Kong mug. $25. And I still love the cup. I still say it's the perfect cup for a banana milkshake. $15 for it. And I'm not crazy about the shirt though. There's your Donkey Kong shirt. Very large graphic, kind of a ringer tee, but it is 100% polyester. That polyester shirt was $35. This 100% cotton t-shirt is $40. It's also sun activated design. But how about this, guys? You tell me in the comment section below, what was your favorite piece of merchandise that you saw today? And a quick thank you to those of you watching the video. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. See you next time.